Good morning, Optimus. Today is Wednesday. It's already Wednesday. All right, Joe. So yesterday we started trading gold futures for the first time. We'd actually never done that before. We traded like S&P or NAS or tried RTY for a little while and oil. But kind of like gold's movement. So we're going to roll with it. Coming up today on the economic calendar, we have so we've already had jobless claims and used car prices. Jobless claims came in on 4-week average at 213K, and for the week 21K. It's down about 10,000. So going in the right direction on that one. Total vehicle sales 16.8 million. Forecast 16.5, so did a little bit better than expected. Used car prices are down 0.3% month over month, and down 0.4% or up 0.4% year over year. Now, that's actually not. So I happen to be like really into cars, and I track a lot of used car prices and used car trends. This is actually not what I'm seeing. I'm seeing much bigger discounts on used cars. Because there is a bloat of cars on the other side on new cars. Anywho, let's go ahead and jump on in. All right, so starting off the day here, it's gonna be the open. Now it's 5:30. Where's the open? Gold jumps slightly. It's kind of selling off a little bit. Let's take a look at oil or the ES. See what's happening there. ES down about $17 or so. Kind of selling now. ES looks like a short to me. I'm gonna go short here on the ES. It's the entry, so I'm gonna cut it. Oh, never mind a minute.
Order filled. Order filled.
Worked out. All right, we made $91 on that, so we only went 2 contracts. So switch back over to gold. Gold's up 0.4, about a half a point today. Not moving nearly like it was yesterday, but the movement's still decent on it. The movement looks better than oil does most of the time. Oil's still climbing, by the way, in price. Kind of hovering around this 74 area, but still climbing. So gold is in bullish form right now. This guy's high up there at 2683. It's kind of pulling back a little bit right now. I may wait for an op here of a. Let's see what a 5200 cross looks like. If you ran a 5200 cross algo on this, your entry would have been way back here at like 5:45 in the morning, and it would have cut right up here. So would have entered around 67 and cut at 80. Ran for about $13. ES is jumping around as heavily as it has been. The big candle spike right there. I don't know. Will the ES do a reversal? It's 7 o'clock. I didn't realize we took that trade. 6:58, like right before 7. With the ES to reverse, it's going to have to get above VWAP. It's actually probably going to need to get above the opening range here. It's at 59.55. Outside of the movement on the ES, market looks a little slow. I guess maybe it's just what I'm looking at. ES popping up a little bit. Getting over the 10-second VWAP. What's the 1 minute VWAP at? 49. It's like right along 50. 50, 50. 59, 50. Big spike there. As we've been seeing, a ton of volatility on the multiple dollars front. Like that just spiked from 48 to 52 and back down to 48. So gold's finally given that spike. Gold seems to do quite well on the silent switches. I'm still learning it, still watching it, and so that's why I'm kind of taking this a little slow. I'm gonna grab a entry
Order
here.
filled.
Looking for 5 ticks. Say it tapped my sell.
Order
There
filled.
we go. We got that. All right. This counts up 227. I'm gonna crack into the other 50K account here. See a little bit of a pullback if I can. Oh, big rip. 78 to. It looks like I can take a little bit larger swings that I've been taking on gold. I'm gonna create one for 7. I want to wait for a pullback though. I'd like to see a pullback if we could to about 79 area, like a $1, maybe a $2 pullback. I'd say more like $1.50. Kind of seeing a bit of a breakout begin to form though with gold. We got the high up there at 83 and we've got resistance at 82. And this looks like a nice pullback here down to 80. You can go long here.
Order filled.
I'm in long. We're going to get out at 81. 81.1. Our high of this break is 81.4. I'm a little early for this breakout. Ah. It's 80.9. That's pretty close. It's having a hard time at 81. Okay,
Order
it
filled.
did it. We took that full 7 ticks. That was a little bit longer of a trade than I was hoping for, but it also worked out quite well. I think we gauged it correctly. Up to 195 in this account here. So I'm really looking for this crossover here. I actually would like to see a pullback. Yeah, like that. A little bit larger than what I was expecting. But I think it's still fine. I actually think it's better. As long as we work our way towards that crossover. On the 1 minute side, we've got 9, 12, and 26 on the approach as well. There's our tiki. Come on. There we go. All right, so it looks like we're about to get a silent switch as well. I don't hate it. I'm going to look for a silent switch on the 10-second chart. That's at 0.7 right now. All right, bit of a push right there. Long here.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, we got that trade. This counts up 301, and we're up 227 in our other account. I think we'll call it right there. So we hit both our profit targets and a little over. And as such, we're going to walk away. So I'm going to close the trading software so that I don't end up trading and prevent myself from over trading. Let's see. Let me check the date here. Yeah, we'll go ahead and shut it down right now. And we'll be back here tomorrow. Kind of a shorter stream today, but we also hit our profit targets really early. And I'm trying to protect those profits. I've been on a somewhat of a losing streak since like September. So I'm grateful to see that that's starting to break. And yeah, just really happy about that. So thanks so much for being here, guys. Love and appreciate you guys, and we'll see you tomorrow.